Hello everyone, I'm Shannon and welcome to our introduction and inspiration video for the August 2024 Hero Studio release. In this video, I will cover all 6 subscription options: the card kit of the month, the fancy dies of the month, the clear set plus dies of the month, the cling of the month, the layering stencils of the month, and the whole studio, all 5 subscriptions in one. Let's start things off with the card kit of the month. As a Card Kit of the Month subscriber, you enjoy a discounted price as well as guaranteed availability with the added benefit of free domestic shipping. Additionally, the Card Kit of the Month is available for a one-time purchase, but only while supplies last. Now let's take a look at the August Card Kit of the Month. This month's kit includes the Jungle Heroscape Clear Stamp Set, 12 coordinating dies, 5 fancy dies, the Jungle Scenic Stencil, olive hero wax, a white plastic palette knife, 3 reactive ink cubes, 2 reactive Glitz ink cubes, and 5 printed sticker sheets. Now let's take a closer look at all the items included in the kit. Starting off with the Jungle Heroscape stamp set. This is a 6x8 clear stamp set with a fun jungle theme and features several layering stamps. There are also 12 coordinating dies included in the kit. These dies match the images from the Jungle Heroscape set and include dies for all the sentiments as well. Also included are 3 reactive ink cubes, Fruit Punch, Green Apple, and Key Lime Fizz. Use the green inks with the layering stamps to create rich tropical leaves, while the Fruit Punch ink works perfectly for the birds and flowers. Additional images include elephants and a lion or a tiger. This set also includes 4 sentiments ranging from birthday-themed messages like "Have a wild birthday" to general greetings such as "Hello" and "It's a jungle out there." Lastly, there is also a water image that could function as either a pond or another body of water in your scene. When combined with a leafy canopy, the jungle scene is brought to life. Add the vibrant exotic birds for splashes of color, while the individual flower and leaves enhance the depth and dimension of the scene. Additionally, use the water image to create a waterfall by stamping it vertically. Again, pair with the canopy layer to add depth to the scene, and add the silhouetted elephant or lion for a bit of wildlife and drama. The images in this set provide an abundance of combinations, opening up a vast array of scene-building possibilities. Allow your imagination to run wild as you design exotic paradise landscapes brimming with intricate layers of lush foliage and enchanting wildlife. The next item included in the August card kit is the Jungle Scenic Stencil. Use this 6x6 stencil to enhance your jungle scenes with a rich array of vines that twist and bend, a variety of tropical leaves, exotic flowers, and even a palm tree. The intricate patterns of the stencil allows you to easily add texture and layers, making it perfect for adding depth and interest to your jungle scenes. The next item we have included in the kit is the Olive Hero Wax. This metallic wax-based paste comes in a 1-ounce tin and is ideal for adding a touch of shine and texture to your projects. Also included is one of our new plastic palette knives. This versatile tool is perfect for applying texture mediums like hero wax or hero pastes, especially when used in conjunction with stencils. Use the wax with the Jungle Scenic Stencil to add green metallic leaves and foliage to your backgrounds or as accents on your stamped images. The wax is also beautiful when applied directly to die cuts for added texture and shine. The next item included in the August card kit are 5 fancy dies. This die set includes 2 tropical leaves, 2 exotic flowers, and a vine, each designed to bring a touch of jungle to your cards. Use these dies with colored cardstock for instant color, or enhance with ink blending, watercolors, or sprays. Whether creating lush landscapes or vibrant accents, this set is a versatile option. Next up, we have 5 printed sticker sheets. These 6x6 tropical sticker sheets are a vibrant selection of stunning designs perfect for card making. Each sheet features a variety of bold patterns including vibrant palm leaves, exotic flowers, and lush greenery. These stickers make it easy to create stunning backgrounds or add a colorful, bold design to your cards. And the last 2 items included in the August card kit are 2 brand new Reactive Glitz ink pads, French Pink and Byzantine Green. The new Hero Arts Reactive Glitz ink pads offer stunning, shimmery results on paper. Measuring 3 inches by 3 inches, these ink pads are ideal for stamping and because of the water reactive quality of the ink, can also be used like a watercolor with a stunning, glimmering finish. Now that we have looked at the entire contents of the August card kit of the month, let's move on to our other subscriptions, our monthly minis. Like the card kit of the month, subscribers to any one of our 4 monthly minis enjoys a discounted price, guaranteed availability of the product or products, and free domestic shipping. Additionally, monthly minis are available for a one-time purchase, but only while supplies last. Our first monthly mini we're going to take a look at is the August Fancy Dies of the Month, Jungle Vines and Critters. This jungle-themed die set brings the vibrant essence of the wild into your projects. The set features a lush jungle window adorned with intricate leaves and vines, providing a perfect frame for creating immersive scenes. Accompanying the window are 3 delightful critters, a rhinoceros beetle, a snail, and a dragonfly, each designed to add a touch of whimsy and nature-inspired charm to your creations. These dies can be used with colored cardstock to produce vivid dimensional scenes, or enhanced with ink blending to achieve rich, layered textures and depth. Or try coloring the die cuts with markers to bring each critter and leafy detail to life with vibrant hues, shading, and contouring. Our next monthly mini is the August Clear Stamp Set and Dies of the Month, Birds of Paradise. This 4x6 clear stamp and coordinating die set brings a burst of tropical beauty to your crafting projects. Along with the stunning Bird of Paradise flower, this set includes detailed stamps of lush tropical leaves and a vibrant ginger flower, all accompanied by matching dies for every single image and all 4 sentiments. Whether you enjoy coloring with markers, pencils, or watercolors, you'll find it a joy to bring these beautiful images to life with your favorite coloring medium. Our next monthly mini is the August Cling of the Month, Orchids. This 6x6 red rubber cling stamp features a stunning design of orchids intricately detailed and beautifully arranged. Combine this background stamp with a variety of mediums and techniques from ink blending to metallic sprays to different coloring mediums like alcohol markers, colored pencils, or watercolors to create a wide range of bold and dramatic looks perfect for the focus of your card. And our last monthly mini is the August Layering Stencil of the Month, Jungle Leaves. Transform your projects with our 4-piece layering stencil set designed to create a lush jungle background that is both vibrant and intricate. Each stencil features precise registration marks, ensuring a seamless and error-free alignment every time. As you layer each stencil, you'll build depth and detail into your design, with each layer enhancing the previous one for a truly beautiful look. Experiment with various color palettes and ink-blended gradations to add richness and depth, or combine with texture mediums like Hero Paste or Hero Wax to introduce additional texture and dimension. And now that we've finished with all the monthly minis, let's move on to our final subscription option, the Whole Studio. The Whole Studio includes all 5 of the monthly subscriptions in one glorious and discounted buy. The Whole Studio is valued at over $192 and is available with a subscription at the discounted price of $120 and includes free domestic shipping. Like the previous subscription options, the Whole Studio is available for a one-time purchase as well, but only while supplies last. Now let's take a look at all that's included in the August Whole Studio. The entire August card kit of the month, which we covered at the beginning of this video, the August Fancy Die of the Month, Jungle Vines and Critters, the August Clear plus Dies of the Month, Birds of Paradise, the August Cling of the Month, Orchids, and the August Layering Stencils of the Month, Jungle Leaves. And that completes our closer look at the August Hero Studio card kit of the month, the 4 monthly minis, and the August Whole Studio. Be sure to check out our blog hop today celebrating this incredible release packed with even more inspiration from the creative team. You can find that inspiration as well as pick up your August Hero Studio products at heroarts.com. And as a reminder, the card kit of the month, the monthly minis, and the Whole Studio are limited in supply, so once we sell out, we are out and the products will not be restocked. Sign up for your subscription today to guarantee your kit, receive special discounts, as well as free shipping on your subscriptions. Thank you so much for spending time with us today.